SYG Tech is here. Welcome back for another video. How's it going, guys? We have the iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone XR. So let me know, what do you think? Should you buy iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone XR in 2021? So let's answer this question. I know the iPhone 13 is gonna be here after a month, and it's very hard. I know many people was thinking to upgrade and buy new phones now, but let's talk about now this option for you. I believe many people still using the iPhone 6s, 7, 8, even 5s, but personally I think many people still prefer the classic design. This is an iPhone 4s, which works very good. This is such a classic design. Also, we have the iPhone SE first generation here. This works still great in 2021. This runs the latest version of the iOS, which is very good. So if you're coming from iPhone 5s, 6s, 7, 8, and you want to move to Face ID, and you want something different that you never had before, I mean, it's very difficult to answer this question because many people, they used to it with this design, with Touch ID, bigger bezels, and as you can see here, we have 6.1 inch XDR display, and iPhone XR was the most popular phone in 2018-2019. This iPhone sold very well thanks to the price and cool features. For example, the battery of this iPhone was amazing. Many people love it, and many people had issues back in the days with the battery, and this was a big problem for many people, but not anymore. This is a 1 day, even day and a half, a battery champ in my opinion. And even now in 2021, still people love this phone because 6.1 inch, we have everything that you need. We have the all the specs, great camera, but many people still buying the iPhone 6s, 7, 5s, SE, and it's very hard to switch. So this is going to be a personal choice. Personally, I think if you want to buy the iPhone XS, XR, I think this is going to be great value. And if you look for long term, this is going to be great as well. And the reason for that is iPhone XR has been released in 2018, and this is nearly 3 years. And this iPhone will get updates at least for another 2 to 3 years. And this phone has all the potential to do that because Apple are very good for software updates, and that's why many people still in today's date, they still using all the iPhones. For example, iPhone SE here, this runs the latest version of the iOS. Let me show you, which personally I think this is amazing, and that's why I think this is going to be a long-term investment in my opinion. And I don't know if you can see the iOS 14.7.1. So this is gonna be great if you're planning to buy the iPhone XR, in my opinion, because if you think that you're gonna be okay for 2 years, this is a great buy in my opinion. However, the iPhone 7 still runs the latest version of the iOS, and I believe this phone still have the potential. iOS 15 is gonna be here soon. So either way, I think you're gonna have a great options here. But personally, I think XR is a great buy in 2021, and especially the price. The price now is dropped very good due to the iPhone 11. iPhone 12 is gonna be here after a month. So personally, I think this is a very good buy. This iPhone in UK currently sells for £250. Actually, you can buy this iPhone even less than that, £200. Many people, they want to sell now, they want to save, they want to buy the iPhone 13. Personally, I think you should wait a little bit maybe, because after the iPhone 13 is gonna be released, the iPhone XR will be even cheaper. So if you can wait a month, this is gonna be great investment in my opinion. But iPhone 7 still works amazing and I love it. Touch ID, everything works fantastic. So let me know in the comments down below, guys. Let me know what do you think. Personally, I think iPhone XR is a great buy in 2021. Even iPhone 7 Plus is a great buy. This runs the latest version of the iOS. The camera is fantastic, the battery is great, the display is nice. So either way, which one you're gonna buy, you're not gonna be upset, because this phone still works fine. So personally, I think if you're planning to buy the iPhone XR, maybe you should wait for maybe a month. If you can't wait, just go and buy it. But if you can wait, just wait maybe a month, and then the prices will drop even lower, which is great. The same for iPhone 7, 8. So let me know what do you think, guys. Which iPhone do you have? Which iPhone you currently use? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.